my in the racket in the my first time in the
This is your
already
first time?
in the 5 year in the no ticket.
No tickets?
Yeah.
I hate to be the first guy to write you a ticket, but
Full name, sir?
yes. And then this one right here is the one that you'll pay, and you have 30 days to take care of.
New Bodycam video is shedding light on the case of truck driver Harjinder Singh, whose limited English skills became a focal point after a deadly crash in Florida left 3 people dead. The footage, released by New Mexico State Police, shows Singh being pulled over on July 3rd for allegedly driving 60 in a 45 zone. Singh appears polite and apologetic as he accepts a speeding ticket, but struggles when trying to ask the trooper a question about how long the violation would remain on his license. "What's that?" the officer asks, before admitting he doesn't understand. Singh then tries again in broken English. "Maybe. This my ticket on my license. How many years?" The trooper responds that the ticket would likely stay on record for 5 to 7 years. The exchange has since drawn attention to Singh's language barriers, now central to the wider discussion surrounding his role in the fatal jackknife crash.
So what I'm going to do here is, instead of writing it for 60 and a 45, I'm just going to write it for 55 and a 45, all right? Since you said that you were starting to slow down, I'm going to help you out, okay? It's just 55 and a 45. The fine is only $25.
Thank you, sir.
You have 30 days to pay it. You can pay it online, by phone, or through the mail, or you can come back and see a judge. What would you like to do? Would you like to go to court, or would you like to just pay the fine?
Pay the fine.
Okay, yeah, you have 30 days, okay?
Okay, sir.
And then on the inspection right here, that just shows I just did a level 2 walk-around inspection, and I didn't find any other violations on the truck or trailer. It just shows that you got a ticket. Let me get a couple signatures from you.
In the no my in the racket in the my first time in the
This is your
already
first time?
in the 5 year in the no ticket.
No tickets?
Yeah.
I hate to be the first guy to write you a ticket, but
Full name, sir?
yes. And then this one right here is the one that you'll pay, and you have 30 days to take care of. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna scan these, and I guess I have your other stuff here also. So here's your driver's license. This is the truck registration you gave me out of your book, and here's your DOLs. And then let me separate these off for you. This is the one that you'll take care of within 30 days, okay? And then just choose one of those options right there.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. And this one right here is your inspection, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Drive safely, all right?
Thank
See
you,
ya.
sir.
Have a good one, sir.
Sorry, sir. In the my first time.
No worries. I feel bad being the first guy to write you a ticket, but
Yeah.
you know, I try to help you
They
out.
said in the my no license in the ticket.
What's that?
They send the ticket in the no my credit.
I'm sorry. I guess I don't understand what.
Maybe in the this my ticket in the my license.
Yeah.
How many year?
Don't quote me on this. I think a ticket will stay anywhere from 5 to 7 years, depending on what state you're from. Anywhere for that long, okay? Okay. All right. Have a good one.
Singh's limited grasp of English has come under intense scrutiny after the Department of Transportation revealed he failed an English language proficiency test following the fatal Fort Pierce crash. According to the DOT, Singh correctly answered only 2 of 12 verbal questions and identified just 1 of 4 highway traffic signs. raising serious concerns over how he was cleared to operate a commercial truck. Adding to the controversy, Bodycam footage from his July 3rd traffic stop shows Singh was not given the required English proficiency check, despite a new federal mandate that took effect June 25th. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy has been blunt. A driver who can't understand English will not drive a commercial vehicle in this country. Period. Announcing the new enforcement rules in May, Duffy dismissed criticism that the policy was discriminatory, stressing it was about safety. America saw what happened in Florida. This driver could not speak English, could not read road signs, and we will not tolerate states ignoring federal law. The DOT says 3 states, Washington, California, and New Mexico, remain out of compliance and have 30 days to fix the issue or risk losing federal funding.
Singh, who crossed into the United States illegally in 2018 via the southern border, has been charged with 3 counts of vehicular homicide and was extradited to Florida to face charges after traveling to California in the aftermath of the crash. According to the DOT, Singh was issued a regular full-term commercial driver's license in the state of Washington in July 2023, but illegal immigrants are not allowed to obtain this type of license. A year later, Singh was issued a limited-term non-domicile commercial driver's license in California. The DOT is investigating further whether the issuance of that license followed federal regulations. Yeah, so he took advantage, I think, of the fact that these are very complex investigations. And, you can't just, charge somebody right at the same sometimes. And again, you have to, work with the state attorney's office. And we've worked these cases before in the past. I think he took full advantage of the fact that this was under investigation, hopefully to flee to California, his home state where, it's no secret, it's a sanctuary state. And the fact that he was hoping, he walked scot-free. But, our Governor Ron DeSantis, the state attorney Tom Backett, had other things in mind. Whatever. And very actually, reborn him and that avid mash, handicap, you little use burn, but if I'd Bobby Wader, Albert, why were you actually because had been forgiven? So, a lot of emotions. He did make an illegal U-turn. Had absolutely no remorse. You watch that video and you watch that minivan crash into the back of that trailer. I mean, it almost seemed like it was on purpose, to be honest with you. Nobody in their right mind could think they can make a U-turn like that without causing some sort of crash. People are driving 70, sometimes in excess of 70 miles an hour. They had absolutely no time to react to that crash. So very sad for the families that are involved, obviously. But more than anything, just the fact that not only did he not show any remorse, he didn't even try to render it. Didn't even try to gather the truck to go see if anybody's okay. I mean, any normal person in their right mind would try to do that. And that's whether you're here illegal, illegal. That's nothing to do with you're talking about something that's just human nature. So that just saddens me. What about the passenger? Is there any person coming his way at all? I now have to refer that before the hour patrol. And I know that he hadn't mentioned this as well. The company that he was driving for, wanting people after them as well. And when we were digging at them, we thought a bunch of violations. We found that you would actually allow them to be having it would have helped. Well, I know Secretary Rubio and President Trump have pretty much suspended their operations nationwide, and the governor here in the state of Florida has done the same. They're going to be looking into them. So pretty much when they say they're going to do something, you can pretty much bet it's going to happen.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.